Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Imagine standing alone against your whole society and still speaking the truth without fear. Let's start our story. Prophet Ibrahim salam lived among people who worshipped idols. Even his own father made idols with his hands. But Ibrahim salam kept asking, how can these statues help you when they cannot even move? Nobody listened. One day, while the people were away, Ibrahim salam entered the place filled with idols. He destroyed them all except the biggest idol. When the people returned, they become furious, but Ibrahim salam showed them the truth. If these idols cannot protect themselves, how can they protect anyone else? Even when everyone opposed him, he never left the truth. Today we learn, standing for truth may make you lonely, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala honors courage and sincerity. Tomorrow we'll witness the moment Ibrahim salam is thrown into a massive fire and a miracle that shocked an entire nation. Like, comment, share and subscribe for day 3. Jazakumullahu khairan.